Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, I am going to show you an important AI template. It must be very useful for all the research fraternity and also the academic writers. Whenever you have submitted your paper in any of the journal, so automatically they used to say one of the most common points we often expect is that correct the typographical and grammatical errors in the research paper and proofread it once. So this is common points which many of the reviewers will give. For that, so you can, there are many AI tools are available, but this AI tool is AI template is especially designed for to correct the grammatical mistakes in your research paper and also the spelling mistakes and typographical errors. So you can use this grammar corrector template and make your that is your research paper grammatical error free. Let us go on to today's video and explore the AI template and how you can use that respective AI template for your research paper writing. So first go to lmssolution.net.in. On this you will be find an option called LMS AI. So in this LMS AI, there are different kinds of LMS AI templates are available, especially designed for your research paper writing. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the template called grammar corrector. So this is the dashboard of this grammar corrector template. So here you can add the text for grammar correction. For example, I am having this this paper. So you can copy this one and you can just paste here and then just click on correct the grammar. So automatically the grammatical mistakes associated with that respective paragraphs will be corrected automatically. You can just copy and paste and you can use the same in your paper. So here you can see that. So this is the corrected text here. So this is the text what we have given. So this is the corrected text. Usage of renewable energy sources are increased. The usage of renewable sources has increased in recent years. In nowadays, instead of nowadays, in recent years, like that, without changing the core meaning of that respective content, it will correct the grammar properly and it will change and shuffle the sentences without changing the meaning. So that is very important. There are many paraphrasing and grammar corrector tools are also available in the market. But the unique thing in this respective AI template is that so it will change the content without affect the meaning of that respective paragraph. It will trained accordingly to read that particular paragraph what we are giving. Based upon that paragraph meaning, it will change or correct the grammar accordingly. Even if you give some results and discussion sessions of your research paper, that also will be understood by this respective AI template. Based upon that content we have given, it will reshuffle the sentences and it will correct the grammar accordingly. So this not only correct the grammar and also which it will help you to reduce plagiarism in your research paper also. Let us try out with some other paragraphs. So for example, this is a paragraph. We often use it to struggle to correct this grammar mistakes in literature review. So you may take many of the notes from a different research paper and you write on your own words. That will result in some of the grammatical mistakes and typographical errors without our consents. So what you can do is, so after completing all this, so just use this template, copy and paste the content what you have prepared and get the grammatical error free content. So again, I am going to give correct the grammar. So it will analyze that respective content what we have given. So based upon that respective content, so it will generate answer for us. So here you can see the advantages of using a non-isolated multi-port converter is for high conversion ratio. Its high conversion ratio and fewer for less, instead of less it is using fewer power switches. Like that, the appropriate words will be added in that respective paragraph. Like that you can do for a whole research paper and correct your grammar and make your research paper writing standard. So before submitting it to journal, you can use this template and so you can make the grammatical error free content that will give better impression on reviewers and editors to proceed your paper to further. That will help you to get your paper selected in that respective journal also. So this is how you can use this grammar template. As I have already told, the uniqueness is that without changing the meaning, it will without affecting the meaning of the core concept. So it will correct the grammatical mistakes and it will correct the spelling mistakes, all the mistakes related with this grammatical errors and typographical errors. So it will do. So make use of this grammar corrector AI template and make your research paper very better and rich. So as far as plans and pricing is concerned, you can just click on plans and pricing. So at just 199, so you can access all our LMS AI tool for 1 month, and you can get one plagiarism plus one AI report per plan. So and you important thing is that you can get unlimited access for all our LMS AI templates for 1 month, and then the best premium value pack is 999. So you can access our LMS AI tool for 1 year, and you can get 12 plagiarism plus AI report per plan. And important thing is that you can access all our course on demand videos. An important thing is, and you can get unlimited access for 1 year. We will add that new AI templates for research paper writing, so you can access that template also. Go on and explore this LMS AI templates and make your research paper writing simple and easy. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.